single time we go to Disney World, our family eats the wings at Ohana's. But with David down working for the mouse, he gets to enjoy Disney cuisines whenever he feels like it. It makes us back at home feel like we're missing out. And then I thought, wait, I can figure this out myself.
Every smile, spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.
Hey everyone, I'm Natalie, and this is Disney's Recipes at Home, the show that makes our favorite park snacks, desserts, and meals from the comfort of our home. Until we get to see Mickey real soon. Today we are making one of the most coveted food items on Disney property, the Honey Coriander Wings from Ohana's at the Polynesian Village Resort. For many families, a visit to Ohana's is quite a central staple for a Disney trip to be a Disney trip. But a trip to Ohana's can cost upwards to $70 per person to eat there. But I know sometimes I can go and I feel like I can't enjoy $70 worth of food. And a family of 4 can rack up a huge bill as a result. But this recipe at home will still be full of magic and will feed a family of 4 for less than $20. So, let's get cooking. First, let's preheat our oven to 500 degrees and then line 2 baking sheets with aluminum foil. Next, we'll add 4 pounds of separated chicken wings and dump them into a large bowl. To the bowl, we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of paprika, flour, not actually flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and some things you just measure with your heart. A half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and some red pepper flakes. And to top it off, we'll dump in 4 tablespoons of peanut oil. Now you'll need to remove all your jewelry and hand ornaments because I don't like stuff to get on my rings or my watch because this is disgusting. We're going to mix this powdery dredge all up until the wings are nicely coated. And if you keep one hand untouched, you can grab things. Next, we'll lay the coated wings on that tray and even spaced apart. We'll put the wings in the oven to cook for about 30 minutes, taking them out to flip them when they are about halfway done. It was about that time when I remembered that chickens and their wings descended from dinosaurs, and it made me think about Jurassic Park. Disney should hire me, y'all. Now to make this delicious Ohana wing sauce. Grab a pot. No, wait! A pan! Now grab a pot. And dump a tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of ginger, a tablespoon of coriander, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, half a cup of soy sauce. Yay! Y'all ignore that. Next, we'll need a cup of honey. To top our wing sauce, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, but just sprinkle some onion powder. Onion powder. My favorite seasonings. Then place the pot with the wing sauce ingredients on a medium heat to get to boil. Stir and let it sit for 5 minutes. It's about the time for the wings to be flipped. Ooh. Well, Tinkerbell must have spritzed my oven with pixie dust because these wings are done in half the time they are supposed to be. We'll keep them in the oven to stay warm while we finish the sauce. Let's keep stirring the sauce until it reduces to a syrup. Once it's done, we can remove all the wings from the oven and baste the sauce all over them. And with that, we're all done. These smell amazing, just like the restaurant. All right, Nathan, it's time to eat.
All right, let's see how you did. I've got the drum it and you've got the flat.
So, what do you think?
Holy stinking cow! This is awesome. This is amazing. I love the little twinges of spice in there. They're still very hot, and that's what's so cool about them. If there was a way at Ohana that you could pay like a lesser price for just like the appetizer-y things and eat like this and the noodles and some of the other stuff for like a lesser price all you can eat, I would be totally okay with that and just eat these all day. Now all we need is the little warm moist towels that Ohana gives you to clean your fingers with. But hey, paper towels, they work.
To think, the total cost of this, $120. That is the whole point of these series, bringing Disney to our home without the Disney price tag. If you want to eat like you're in the park without leaving your kitchen, subscribe. Join us next time to watch us continue the Ohana when we make the famous Ohana noodles and the pop stickers.
I'm gonna grab another one of these. No, you can't have that one. I want that one.
Worlds collide and hearts unite with stories we all know. Every smile, a spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.